Hey you all, so welcome back to another video, and what a great morning it is. So in today's video I will be opening my shopping and do much more. And also yesterday I got my hair dyed, so first let's go take a bath. See you all in a while.
Years later, 6.5 hours later, a few inches later, day 2, day 3, day 4, a few moments later, 1 eternity later, 3 days later, 12 seconds later.
All done. So today I wore blue because blue matches with my ash blonde hair. So now let's go and open the shopping, like unbox it. Yeah, so let's go. And firstly we are going to see the clothes and the accessories we bought yesterday. OMG, it's going to be so much fun. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I bought yesterday. Actually, this was already there, but I bought it another one. So this is the one I bought yesterday, like Chromie vibes. And also this, I bought it yesterday. And also this. And this. And so these were the 3 outfits I bought yesterday. And now let's go and show you the bags I have gotten. I got only 2 bags. So the first one is this one, the black one. The second is this one. And this one is the one I already have, but I never showed you, so yeah. In total I have 3 bags. And I only bought 1 necklace yesterday, so this is how it looks like. So beautiful. Okay, so next let's open this one. It has the food items. Yesterday I had bought avocado toast and waffles. Of course, bakery items are the best. Okay, but mom's cooking is also best. Now lastly, this yellow one. Yellow one has the hair products which the salon gave me for free to take care of my hair. So the pink one, and they gave me a pink conditioner to apply, and much more things like a serum. Now let's go outside and go to get groceries because I'm going to go to camping. So let's move this to up. OMG, I fell inside and the car went up. So now let's lower it. Now let's go. So this is my car, as you can see. Now we will go up because we raised it up. Okay, we are here with a grand entry, and this is our remote. As I told you yesterday, today we shifted to the blue color because it is such a good color also. So now let's go to get the groceries because no, actually not groceries, we just need like some stuff to go with. to camping, and also I'm going to be taking care of that I don't cross the red light, because I don't want to get a fine like the first time I came into the city. Also, I'm going to park very elegantly. Now, also today we are going to get a car wash because my car is like so dirty for me now. You can't see in the camera, but it's very dusty. We took the trolley. Of course, we need two colas because cola is the best, but water is the best. Okay, we got some toys to play with at the camping. Also, what the hell? Why are you here? Okay, we got a mouthwash so my mouth doesn't stink. We got spaghetti, some hot dogs, and much more. And of course, we need a water bottle and ice cream and ball to play with, and a lamp, and of course, dairy milk. Now let's go and check out. Okay, dairy milk, lamb, football, and ice cream, water, spaghetti, hot dogs, butter, apple, and watermelon, mouthwash, toys, cola. Okay, we are done now. Let's take the trolley and put it. And now let's put this in the trunk. Now let's go sit and carefully take the car out in the right way. Okay, so where is the car wash? I don't know, so I need to just like keep roaming around until I find the car wash area. Also, we need petrol because we need to go to the petroleum station because our petrol is so little now. And if you are wondering that why did I cross the red light, well, the red light was to go to like straight, but I was going to turn over there, so that's why for there was green light. Now let's go and get the petrol. We don't need the black one, we need green one. Okay, where is the okay, let's put it. This is the petrol tank and we put it inside. We need it 51 point like something because $50 is enough. Now we are going to pay it and we are done. Okay, now let's go, but we will pay with cash first, so let's go pay with cash. We are done. Now let's go to the car wash. I thought the car wash would be near the petroleum station, but it's not. Okay, so let's just keep roaming around and seeing if the car wash is there or here or anywhere. Wait. Guys, wait. I found the car wash. Yay! I found the car wash. It's straight over here, yeah. Okay, we need to go inside. Let's see how good it will be because there will be water and like bubbles showering around me because sprays a lot of water and I can get a little bit wet, that's why. And as you can see, my car is getting so clean now. It's like so good. There is like water showering covering like everywhere, and now it's drying my car, and as you can see now it's shining a lot, and there was some like fan, and now let's wait for green before going, and now it's green, so let's go slowly because we need to keep care of the rules. So now let's just wait since it's the red light. It's green light, yay. Okay, so now we are going to go to our house to keep the groceries and everything. So it's green light again. Let's go to our house to park the car and like do some stuff, and then later we can go to the camping site. Okay. OMG, I just keep hitting cars everywhere. Okay. There is someone else's car in my house, but I just parked in here for now. So she's taking her car, and wow, I just fell. Okay, let's just go upstairs. Okay, let's open and unlock the door. So, she went. Now let's park our car nicely and smoothly. Now let's go back inside. Also, I have the groceries with me. They are not actually like groceries, they are just my camping stuff. Yeah, camping stuff. So I'm trying to call my friends, but they can't answer. Okay, I'm just typing like random numbers right now. Okay, so I'm going to the theater now. Yay! It's going to be so much fun, guys, because I'm going to go to the theater now. So let's get some popcorns because we need to enjoy. So popcorns are the best snacks, of course. Now let's go. Let's sit in the front seat and eat our popcorns. The movie is so nice. Such a good movie it is. So funny. Okay, it ended. Now let's go. Let's get an umbrella and let's go find the path to the camping site because I have never been there. Okay, I found the umbrella because what if it rains? So yeah, if it rains then I will get like so wet, even though I love rain, but I can't get wet today. Sorry guys. Okay, let's walk because I don't know. Welcome to the countryside. Okay, yeah, thank you for welcoming me. There are a lot of mountains in here, and trees and like countryside, of course. Okay, this is a path. Let's just follow it. Maybe it will take us to the camping site. Okay. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. I really don't know. I thought that was the camping site, but it's just two rocks and in the middle there's water. Wait, guys. I think I can see the camping site. It's over there. Oh, wait. Guys, that's just a bus stop. Like a bus waiting area. Oh my god, I thought that's the camping site. Okay, where should I go now? Wait, guys, I found the camping site. Yay! Let's keep my umbrella and burn the fire. OMG, my fire went out. Yay, let's dance. Okay, we put it the fire again. Do 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 do. Camping. Do 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 do. Camping like this. Oh, 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 oh. Camping is so much fun and burning too. We are done. Okay, this is the place where I will be sleeping today. And let's sit down first, and then we will eat the food, of course. Okay, we sat down in my comfortable position. Now let's get some food. Foodie, foodie, food. Okay, let's eat the fruits with some chocolate, of course. And we're done. Okay, now let's drink some water. So hydrating, guys. Okay, now let's go and sleep. Okay, let's go and sleep. Wait, maybe roaming. Wait, I can't even choose my camp. Which one should I sleep in? Okay, I will sleep in this one. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then like, share, and subscribe. Bye.